Simple. Wednesday, na me wo Obuase. This match, one match, a revengeance because last season, the team are come be Kotoko. Oh, Muhoma, Accra Lions was part. And simple. Kotoko team na me hwe na no kwada no. How I'm seeing it now. Kotoko first half, they start very well.
Yeah.
Kotoko starting very well. But Kotoko second half against Nswatre. So we be on our stadium who be the second half. Simple not Nswatre. Not omoye more purposeful. And I say not omoye more eager. And come back Kotoko and come back Tekano. And the Dr. Ogum, I know say right now 8 points out of 12. It's not bad. But Kotoko Beso simple. Kotoko Beso or chasing league where and then mediama.
And Heart of Lions.
Heart of Lions. Which I'm seeing someone here mediama. Say Heart of Lions and Koya Munema ni build there. Coach Basu Hilford. So I'm Koya Nema ni build there. I have mediama. Ebeyeno 12 points. And simple. I don't want to say league, you know, Ebeyeno now when said the other is so not Chimube 6-7 points. That's the excitement of the league, you know, simple. A conform. And simple out of Accra Lions team we are. Such chances now. Kodokodema in Swatre no. This time around, simple. A more player be Ezekiel Alado as a bibisa. Me Ezekiel Alado. So far about 4 matches now, I say 2 goals. On the leader Accra Lions attack.
4 matches, 2 goals.
4 matches, 2 goals. Young boy, simple. Second, remember the chances now, simple. Such chance now in such a na omo any striker be a simple ni who na obebo ball at net. Somebody man is Ezekiel Alado or Obeshe. And a simple almost our one young boy man introduced no 16 years. Very young. 16 years. Tahiru. Friend Tahiru, not Daniel Woody position is on neighbor. Tahiru, fantastic player, young boy, 16, I say 16 or 17 years, simple.
Yeah.
Someone who the game no so then over the right side a left side obenya a Suman blessing. Omo last game person na best player.
Yeah, super player.
Omo last game on boy against home so atre.
Yeah.
Onanya best player on the say go. Na Tahiru no so say go. And simple that players alone. It's like Kotoko and working on say first half for example I'm seeing Kotoko first half they will perform very well. But simple the second half of the game. How na Kotoko simple. Kotoko anya ne me ya so make tin second half Kotoko anya ne me ya. So Kotoko midfield, the Kotoko midfield. Simple. I repeat the Kotoko midfield. When say Patrick say do obaye no that was now back to back.
Yeah, man of the match.
Man of the match. Fantastic player. Lord Amwa. He's a super player. I a good player.
Yes.
Oba defense wa. This is play. Wednesday simple. On your Zuma papa. After the being naive, finish just no.
When you quite you prove it.
They just naive. He worked. Extremely, he worked. A blow. He wasn't bad. He was good on the day. But simple. Kotoko fifi hono. E ho na problem ne wo. Ita make us say sa boys here make come Asuman Tahiru on the ring side. Then deep inside ubenya Awute. Or suggestion number 5. Accra Lions team no deep inside. Or suggestion number 5. Simple. On the stabilizer Accra Lions midfield no. He's a stabilizer. Or on the initiative play. Second half work on the midfield no na simple. Second half that performance no simple. Sense saya ma simple. Second half first half class simple. Accra Lions better come.
Kotoko first half Accra Lions better.
Say as well making. Say if Dr. Ogum doesn't work on the second half play. So like in team menu man entry, which is like you say, obeying team man entry or Chejamina. Simple. These 3 midfielders, they are Kotoko, you see them there. So I'm working on the midfield now. Second half, first half, Kotoko can score. But second half, Accra Lions beat me as I show. Indeed, it's Kotoko can win. But simple. A match, you never honor. A neck to neck match. A bear match, as simple. We are Kotoko near simple. Wakuma. We are meant to match. So you are going to watch a game as simple. A heartbreaking. Who's out to Wakuma booking? Not a very good crime. Simple. But press a referee. No time, no so no on pong. Because Accra Lions boys, no simple. Hey, 16, 17 years, 18. Ezekiel no crap 19 years.
So me very young.
Very young. And they play total football, attacking oriented.
Almost run it throughout the game.
It's simple.
But Ogum crack and some run the power.
That is their style of play. And if Kotoko aren't to be just hard na simple, trust me, it's going to be difficult.
Benjamin Das, said the men there can cry and who's a Becca president last season, you know.
Yeah.
And not post match.
Sure.
Could David Ogum. Because of Mugando. Until we are some players, no 5 young players are. Or more energy no run more. And Coach Ogum so admit no pay. The pre match.
Run it then.
But my 2 minutes in other matches and Vahema Mitona for young.
It's a difficult one.
Dance park.
Yeah, difficult one. Go Stars. I show this year say simple on your Ghana League now.
Yes, it's a Lusu game.
On Lusu, yeah, one of the few teams are simple. Lusu, yeah. Go Stars come. And he's playing against Bechim.
Go Stars are winning 2. And about draw 2. Okay. That's just one Kotoko na yepe.
Yeah.
Lusu.
Yeah, or 8 points.
Oh.
And it tells you how much to be say or one match a be promising. And my good friend, referee Moro never quite handle match now.
Oh, okay.
It's my good friend, Madame Fopano. No. It's going to be one of the matches. I would love to watch that game. I would love to watch that game. Or China, I would love to watch that game.
The Erin Mahwa Good Stars and Mr. Francis.
A slim win. Very slim win.
Mr. Francis in Timina.
No.
Won't you miss it?
A call baby and your hard, but a slim win. The beer,
hard, you know,
but it's going to be a caging encounter. Caging.
Okay.
But a slim win. I remember Dreams versus Nations. But you say because this season Nations Akodoma Akoshe Okowenchi Eko pick a draw. It tells you they are a good away performance. The league they cut him back simple. Almost lusu ya. One of them is Nations.
Nations lusu.
Lusu ya. And this simple. It tells you say Sam Martin so a better exciting exciting. The Dreams simple. Dreams are winning match. Winning match this year.
Dreams FC
is yet to win a match. Mr. Kimei Dreams FC is yet to win a match.
Dreams FC winning games. I mean, make catch us.
Winning match.
First win.
And a match as simple. Oh here.
Yeah, Dreams winning game.
Yes, winning here. Nations memorable match. But simple. I feel say even though Nations are good away travelers, but it's Ghana football. Simple.
Dreams about draw 3 and lose 1.
Yeah. It's Ghana football, so may expect a slim win for Dreams FC.
Dreams FC.
It's Ghana football.
Ghana football.
Yes.
The Ghana football day.
And one of the basic. Bekum Chelsea Young Apostles. Kajua. Bekum Chelsea enter home and won the second home match after returning to their favorite ground. Go this deep park. Emma Young Apostles Emma ho. Now Young Apostles so almost last weekend. Ediana.
Young Apostles on Zulu and next week when it has the Jabitumo when you
in December Kajua Bekum Chelsea on betting Young Apostles. Then I finish with Mediama Heart of Lions.
And then you 6 p.m.
Simple.
In fact, 9th football and so FA.
Oh, that's also a logo, not a hot fair. The by pa.
Sure.
Simple. It's me match with Mr. Match thing now. Uyi China Kotoko ne Accra Lions and the Go Stars ni match. Simple. This match, Mediama Heart of Lions. It's going to be a difficult one. for Heart of Lions almost they are to lose almost you lose here na me dey man Super League na jinto so onya no 12 points out of four matches almost what 12
Osawa standing back
yeah I know
Ukuada
at the tier they simple with me dey man born or more born Heart of Lions bit my your best but simple I feel me dey man benya the slim
okay manager me da say league atwede en say na tie me dey medical 9 points Asante Kotoko so mi
fresh mo 204 Tunisia 2004 Ghana was there South Africa was 96 sorry South Africa 96 the 206
I think say now
206 204 206 one who stay
Kumasi FM
simple competition yastic
ba from Ghana ni ho
Ghana yastic afibia mostly afibia Ghana ya nya de kwanye qualification cap na yintimi enje cap na de simple yakobia ya try mfie aduanani over 40 years yintimi enje cap no but simple my answer this history
okay manager Mr. Abdallah House of Folk diaspora organizer or say a 2004 and yanko
because how me no simple
any team they qualify World Cup 2006
say ode your squad list here we try to dey back to where simple Monday na me hwe semenyo o se go kra fantastic but simple top players omo Ghana omo commitment because I'm seeing Akwasiapia simple onum your team no he knows everything Akwasiapia num your players onum omo nyina and this team my friend about 99% Akwasiapia wana onum omo virtually onum obianti it's a difficult call up a difficult match na yebo and simple your destiny in na sa match we your destiny na sa match say yantimi anya 3 points na against Sudan which simple it's difficult because bo bia onim everything totally everything so that touch that can say your cabrofo a obete the catchia obete minim kasa Akwasiapia bia
you say ba Akwasiapia nka be dey
I'll protect my job simple na o me free me that
so your school members who
unu ska o Sudan ho into when adwuma mo no simple it's a match simple I want to see say wait match Sudan team now simple enya about me bo ha me bo Arsenal me bo West Ham me bo no yeah this hard to team there we be deceiving ourselves a blaster team simple o say players no around party ball Arsenal ball all born against PSG ball party airborne but Ghana simple 25% of that 20% campo simple untimi more and simple squad list there if I talk about quality we me person me go in afo exceptional player but onya chance no more no me nim Kotoko say ko okwa no waje dollar kakra so bompire na win nim na
to mo chance kakra
simple we match onya bi na me no me nim we bra dia afo we bra dia okwa bompire say win be bana simple in dollars na when you kakra dia be fi but more there it's a simple me I love it so I feel local player I just simply love it so I feel local player but say I'm so committed to simple this team a better thing say Sudan
okay manager me da say me kwa kofa fair phone kakra na mum no menya ntie